Hi guys, welcome to my channel Expert Solution. In this video, we will learn about Wondershare Filmora, how we can edit our videos with Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is one of the best video editing software with we can edit different videos for YouTube and different platforms. This is very simple software where you can edit your videos quickly and you can save your time and make astonishing and beautiful videos and projects. Now we talk about how we can use this software. This is Filmora and you are watching this video to expert solution. You can see here graphical interface of Filmora. Here you can see the different features, buttons and tools on your screen. In this video, we will learn how to use basically Filmora for our mini projects. And in this video, I will introduce you with different tools and menu buttons and etc. So let's start. Here we have options import media files here. You can click on this button and you can import videos by clicking your project having in your system and just click on open. Now your audio file is imported in this software. You can click on add button and you can see here on timeline. Furthermore, first of all, I will tell you about Filmora graphical interface. Here we have file menu where you can click on new project and there is aspect ratio for your projects for cell phone, Windows, YouTube and different aspect ratios you can see here. Here, second option is open project. If you have already worked on any project, here you can click on open project and you can open project from your PC and you can work on this project if you have done before. Furthermore, you have open recent. If you are working with Filmora and you have closed your Filmora, you can directly click on open recent and you will see here list of different recent projects. By clicking on this, you can open your recent project. Furthermore, you have save project. If you have project current time working and you have to save project, just clicking on save project and you have to give path in your PC and click on save. Your project will be saved in your PC. Further file, click on file and here you can see archive project. You can click just shift control A and you can archive your project. Further, you have another option import media. Here you will see three different options: import media files, import a media folder, import from camera or phone. You can click on option as your requirement. You can click on any option as per your requirements. You have just click import media files and then select from your PC where from you can select a project from your PC and then click on open and you can import here your projects. Furthermore, you have button record media. The most and important feature of Filmora is record from webcam. You can use your webcam for recording your video for tutorials and any other purpose. Record PC screen, record a voiceover. You can use these options as per your requirements. Whether you have lead view, render files, settings. In the setting menu, you can select your folder where you can export your projects. Capture file folder, different options you will see here, and automatically delete preview render file. If you want to select this option, it will automatically delete preview render file when closing a project file. Here you can select language and update, or you can select your update for Filmora. Here I have select never, and for update, whenever I want to update, I simply click on these options every day, every week, every month, but I have to select never and then I have to click on OK. You have further different options for your projects. You can select as per your requirements and click on OK. Furthermore, we have edit button. Here you can see basic editing options: cut, copy, edit, split, delete. I will tell you about these options. Suppose you have to copy, you have to click on this file and you can copy and paste any other place. So you have option of cut. You can cut from here and Control V for paste. Another option for split, you can see here you have to click on split. Here you want to split this project, you have to click on right click and just split on and then click here and split. Now you have three pieces of this file and you have to delete this one. You have simply click on this, right click and delete. You will see here Filmora has removed this area of timeline. Now you can click on Control Z, press Control Z and you can back your deleted file, undo your deleted file. Here another option export where you can export your video, create to device, export to device, upload to YouTube, upload to Facebook, upload to Vimeo, burn DVD and different options you have. Furthermore, you have click help option. where you can see different helps and tutorials for use of Filmora. And now I will talk about media and media. I have to talk about media. Just click on media and you will see here all media list. And then music, you will see here different list of musics in your Filmora. You can use it by purchasing this Filmora premium version. Then you can use these content music in your videos and can upload on YouTube. Now, young and bright, here you have different categories of music. You can click on this and use you can use these projects audio files in your videos. And now here is a list of different audios. There you can use these options in your system. Here you have to click this and you can add this video audio. Furthermore, you have text option. You can add text in your projects simply. Here you can see there is a text option and different options. You can click on advanced, and here you will see the different options, presets, colors, light, SSL, vignette, and you have to just click on play button. When you will write different text, and text will appear here. Further, you have transition options. You can apply different transition options in your project. And transition is basically the way your file will be present and close, on, off, and end time views. That is called also called. Further, you have options of filters. You can use different color filters in your video projects. And further, you have overlays, elements, split screen, export, and many more. This is one and final option of export. When you have completed your project in Filmora, then you have to click on export, and you can select different type of files, MV file, and here you can see different options: MP4 files, AVI files, MOV, F4V, MKV, TS, 3GP, MPEG, webcam, GIF, and MP3. Further, here you can see different options of YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, and moreover. Further, here you have to give the project one, and here you can give the path, and then you have to select resolution. And suppose I have to click on MP4, and here you can see the resolution 1920 to 180, and it will occupy 44 MB, and duration of this video is 43 seconds. I will click on setting. Here you can option different good for normal quality, better for best, and further best for good qualities. Whatever when you want to use, here you have three options for video qualities: good, better, and best. You can any of them, any of it in your project, and depending on requirement, and click on OK. You will see here the size of your project, and then finally you have to click on export, and your video will be exported in your system. Here you can see we have inserted the text. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. I hope you have, inshallah, I will make further videos for you, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.